Assalamu alaikum, my dear subscribers, followers and respected viewers. आपका खुशामद किया जाता है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सेंटर में। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि we have completed the two very important tenses, that is the present, and then we have completed the past. We have completed all the past tenses, active voice as well as the passive voice. आज जो हमें नया लेसन लेना है, that is about the future. First of all, we will take the future simple. Future simple. Future simple में you have do nothing. As usual, we utilize the affirmative. That starts with the help of the subject, followed by shall, oblique will, plus verb first form, then it is paired. Then it is object, then rest of the sentence. This is our active. Subject plus shall, oblique will, plus verb first form. Then paired, that means the preposition, either preposition, article, adjective or adverb. Then determiner in case there is, and then it is followed by the object. Then it is followed by the rest of the sentence whatsoever may be there. So as far as the passive side is concerned, in passive we utilize first of all object, then it is followed by the shall, oblique will, plus be, plus verb third form, then it is paired. Then it is subject, then it is the rest of the sentence. So this is the affirmation for the future simple. He will do his work. Clear? He will do his work, or I will do my work. In case I am determined, then it changes accordingly. That will be taught later on, where we have to utilize shall and where we have to utilize will, because there is either of the two we have to utilize according to the subject. And then we go to the next, that is our interrogative. We answer the question with the help of these two auxiliaries, shall, oblique will, then it is followed by subject, then it is verb first form, then it is paired, then object, then rest of the sentence. In case we want to utilize the passive voice, likewise we have to utilize in interrogative shall, oblique will, plus it is object, then it is be, then verb third form, then paired, then it is subject, then rest of the sentence. Then we go to the next, that is our negative. In negative sentence, we have to utilize subject, shall, oblique, won't. That means we will write down like this, shall, oblique, will. They are followed by not. In case we want to write down in a shortened form, we may write W-O-N, won't. Won't is equal to will not. Should is equal to not, should not. Shall not. Then it is verb first form, then it is paired, then it is object, then rest of the sentence. We can negate, we can deny. Whenever we want to deny anything, we have to go to the negative. We have to utilize the structure of the negative. I won't come tomorrow. He won't like this. They won't take the tea in this time. So in passive voice we have to utilize the first of all object, then it is shall oblique won't, then it is be, then verb third form, then pad, then it is subject, then rest of the sentence. Then we go to the interrogative followed by negative. We have to utilize in interrogative. First of all, we will write down the shall oblique will, और पहले से ही हम मोड का इस्तेमाल करेंगे या शंट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Then we utilize the subject, then it is verb first form, then it is pad, then it is object, then rest of the sentence. Passive voice में भी ऐसी पहले शंट का या वोट का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, then it is object, then it is be, then it is verb third form, then it is pad, preposition, article or adjective, either determiner, then it is subject, then rest of the sentence. तो इस तरीके से हम 4 तरीकों से बात कर सकते हैं और करनी पड़ती है. कभी हम स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, एफर्मेटिव का सेंटेंस इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कभी हम किसी शख्स से इंटरोगेट करते हैं, उसे पूछते हैं, और कभी कभी हम इनकार करते हैं, और कभी कभी हम इनकार भी करते हैं और सवाल भी करते हैं. So we have to learn in every tense, we have to learn all the 4 structures in active voice as well as in passive voice. Today, as you know, we are taking the third very important lesson, that is about the future, how we can make the future sentence. तो यहां पर आपको एक चीज का ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. If there is I oblique we, then we have to utilize shall. If there is he, she, it, they or you, then we have to utilize will. But in case there is the determination, there is form will, there is your intention, then it changes. Accordingly it changes. In place of shall oblique will, we utilize, in place of shall we utilize will. अगर मुझे कल कोई काम जरूरी करना है, I have to remove shall, I have to utilize will. I will come tomorrow positively. तो मैं I am very much determined about this to come tomorrow, so I have removed shall. But at the same time, in case we are going to utilize he, she, it, and it is followed by will, but the same things which are when we are going to utilize as model they, then we have to replace, in place of shall we utilize will. So this is the very important debate or discussion. We will define it in the models, how we change the shall. In place of shall we utilize will, in place of will we utilize shall. This will be discussed later on. So नाजरीन, बहुत ही आसान तरीका है. अगर आपने पिछले वीडियोस को अच्छी तरह से देखा होगा, क्वेश्चन में उन तुलबा को या उन देखने वालों को जो नए हैं उनको वर्ब ए से देखना है, क्योंकि इस वक्त हम जे के पर पहुंच गए हैं. हमने वर्ब ए, वर्ब बी, वर्ब सी इसको कैटेगराइज कर दिया है. और अगर आप अच्छी तरह से इसको भाप देना चाहते हैं, समझना चाहते हैं, खुसूसन वो जो देखने वाले नए हैं जिन्होंने हाल में ही सब्सक्राइब किया है, तो उनको चाहिए कि वर्ब पहले से ही उसको देखें, वर्ब ए से देखें, क्योंकि वहां पर मैंने इसको इस पूरी स्ट्रक्चर को एनालाइज किया, एक्सप्लेन किया है कि भाई ये सब्जेक्ट होता है क्या और हमारे ये वर्ब क्या है, ये पैड क्या है या ऑब्जेक्ट. नया जो आने वाला है सब्सक्राइबर या व्यूअर, वो इसको नहीं समझ पा सकता है तब तक जब तक वो इसके पहले, क्योंकि वहां प्लेलिस्ट दिया गया है, वर्ब प्लेलिस्ट में आप देखेंगे वर्ब ए से, तो आप ए बी सी को, ये कोहेरेंस है, एक माला की तरह है, तो इसको परवाया गया है अगर आप इसको अच्छी तरह समझना चाहते हैं, then it is better for you to go verb A. Then you may go verb B, then you may go accordingly verb C and so on. So as far as the future is concerned, आप इस स्ट्रक्चर पर आप काफी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं। मैं लेक्चर दूंगा, I will deliver the lecture। क्या मैं लेक्चर दूंगा? Will I deliver the lecture? मैं लेक्चर नहीं दूंगा, I won't deliver the lecture। I won't deliver the lecture today। क्या मैं लेक्चर नहीं दूंगा? Won't I deliver the lecture? लेक्चर दिया जाएगा, the lecture will be delivered। तो यहां हमने ऑब्जेक्ट लाया है लेक्चर, it is followed by will, followed by be। the lecture will be delivered, the lecture will be delivered by teacher। अंग्रेजी बोली जाएगी, the English will be spoken। उसकी मदद की जाएगी, he will be helped। क्या उसकी मदद की जाएगी? will he be helped। खुद कुछ नहीं करना है, यहां पर आपने he will लगाया and it is followed by he, will he, it is followed by be, will he be, help को थर्ड फॉर्म में बदल दो, will he be helped by me, by the teacher, by anybody else। तो इस तरीके से आप अगर स्ट्रक्चर्स का सही इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं तो आप इस पर हजारों सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं पहले से ही। अगर पहले हमने जो प्रेजेंट सिंपल किया था उसको ले लेंगे हम, the lecture, I deliver the lecture, इसका पैसिव बन जाएगा the lecture is delivered। कंटिन्यूअस में आएगा I am delivering the lecture, the lecture is being delivered। परफेक्ट में आएगा I have delivered the lecture, the lecture has been delivered। तो परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में तो कोई पैसिव वॉइस नहीं है। इस तरह पास्ट में भी 3 पैसिव वॉइस हैं और फ्यूचर हमने शुरू किया है। तो इंशाल्लाह अगर आप इसको इसी चीज को अच्छी तरह समझ पाएंगे, you will speak English very well। There isn't any force to speak, you have to speak on the basis of the structures, and inshallah with the grace of Almighty Allah there will be the time that you will speak English fluently। Tomorrow you may see how the students are now speaking, because I am going to take their exam, I am going to talk with them, and you may see how many sentences they can make, they can utilize, and they can jot down the things according to their own choice। So remain with me, and next will be a lesson delivered day after tomorrow, inshallah, that will be uploaded, and you may go see, watch it carefully, watch fully, don't watch 2 minutes or 3 minutes, watch up to the end of this video। Okay, inshallah you will get soon control over the language। एक चीज जो मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, अक्सर मुझे फोन कॉल्स आते रहते हैं। कल भी बहुत से सब्सक्राइबर्स ने, बहुत से व्यूअर्स ने मुझे फोन किया है, सर इसमें कुछ कॉस्ट है। एक बात याद रखो, देयर इज नो कॉस्ट, इट इज फ्री टू एवरीवन। आई हैव नो एनी intention to earn money from this। It is academic because we have been suffered a lot due to the COVID-19। As far as the education is, we have lost a lot really। In that very context, I have now taken my mind that I must share my experience with the student subscribers, or who are the interested, who are aspirant to get the things। Inshallah you will get it, but you have to take the things very seriously। There is no any pay, no any fee, no any charge, only you have to subscribe for that you may get the notification, the new notification, the new videos will be uploaded, so that you may get it। So be free and be at ease, there will be the time that you will get hold over it। Have a good luck to you।